Check out this 2017 Buick Cascada Premium. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: glass, solar-absorbing lamp, articulating fog lamps, front intermittent, black wall wheels, black convertible roof, folding, acoustically and thermally insulated air deflector, front seats air deflector and bright beltline grille. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.